Hey, you can feel it in the air, can't you? The last of the lazy, hazy days of summer are coming to an end, and now is the time to start focusing on the rest of Q3 and Q4 and get those summer renovations done. Now, I got to give a big shout out to Darren King Construction. Him and his team, they were amazing, did an awesome job. Look at that property. It looks brand spanking new. Highly recommend these guys. But what I'm going to talk to you about today is the most efficient way to pay off your renovations or any big project that you have, or an investment. You know, if you wanted to get a new vehicle, what is the best way to pay it off? Is it A, using cold hard cash? Is it B, getting a loan? C, is it financing? D, is it using your line of credit? What is it? Well, what if I could show you an option that was better than all those? If you do the math, A is the best way, but it's not taking into account the opportunity cost that is lost. So imagine saying this costs around 50 grand, right? If you pay that 50 grand to Darren King or whoever does your work, that is gone from your pocket. But when you can become your own bank and borrow against yourself, you can still keep that 50 grand and get that tax efficient growth year after year, that true compound growth, making that money work hard for you and still getting what you want. Isn't that an awesome concept? It is a great way to make you and your money work harder and smarter. I hope this helps. Enjoy the rest of the summer. Let's make the most of these next couple of months coming up, leading to the new year. And I wish you and yours nothing but the best and to design the best future out there possible. Take care. Bye-bye.